Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Recime, a game-changing app that has been taking over the kitchens of home cooks and food lovers all over the world. This is not just another recipe storage app, it's an intelligent, beautifully designed and incredibly versatile tool that aims to solve a very real problem, recipe chaos. So now let's look at how this app works, its features, the pricing, the strengths and weaknesses, and you get to see if this app is the best recipe organizer for iPhone and Android in 2025. Recime tackles this head-on by giving you a centralized hub for every single recipe that you come across, whether it's online, in a friend's email, or you scribbled on the back of a napkin. You can save recipes directly from Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, or any website you browse. Even better, if you already have recipes in places like Notes, Notion, Google Docs, or Evernote, you can import this too. Once saved, every recipe is neatly organized into a beautiful, consistent format with the ingredients, steps, images, and even optional nutritional information right at your fingertips. And because it's cloud-based, you can start planning dinner on your laptop, check the recipe on your phone, at the grocery store, and then follow it on your tablet while cooking in the kitchen, all without missing a bit. You can even go a step further and create custom cookbooks. Group your recipes by your cuisine type, the diet, the meal occasion, or any category you want. You can add photos to each recipe, include your own cooking notes, and even share them with friends or family so that they can try your creations. In short, Recime isn't just about saving recipes. It's about turning them into an organized, interactive, and always accessible personal cookbook. Now let us talk about the main features of this app. Social and web recipe imports. You can save recipes from Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest, and pretty much any website. No copy pasting, no screenshots, just a smooth one-tap save. Cross-platform cloud sync. Everything you save is stored in the cloud, so it's instantly available on iPhone, Android, tablets, and through your web browser. Smart organization tools. Group recipes into your own custom cookbooks. You can tag by cuisine, like Italian, Indian, Mediterranean, or by meal type, like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Searching is easy too. You can even search by specific ingredients. Precision cooking tools. Adjust the recipe to your desired serving size and watch the ingredients quantities update automatically. You can also switch between metric and imperial units and keep your device's screen unlocked while you cook. Meal planning and grocery lists. You can build a weekly meal plan, then automatically generate a shopping list. The list can be sorted by recipe or by aisle, making grocery tips more efficient. Nutrition tracking. For health-conscious cooks, Recime can auto-calculate calories, protein, carbs, and fat for each recipe. Sharing options. You can share your recipes with family and friends via text, email, or even AirDrop. You can also add personal notes and ratings so that you remember exactly how a recipe turned out. Now let us talk about the pricing. There's a free plan, where even without paying a cent, you can import recipes from social media and websites, organize them into cookbooks, use the meal planner, create grocery lists, and get nutrition tracking. That's already a lot of value for a free app. Now the premium plan. This requires you signing up, and the upgrade unlocks unlimited imports from websites and blogs, plus the ability to store unlimited private recipes. The exact subscription rate varies from place to place, so it depends on your location and platform. Either you're doing it on Apple Store or in Play Store. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using the Recime app. First, the pros. It's extremely easy to save recipes from social media. It is clean, modern, and very intuitive design. It makes browsing your recipes enjoyable. It works seamlessly across all devices thanks to cloud syncing. It combines recipe storage, meal planning, grocery lists, and nutrition tracking into one platform. How about the cons? The meal planning tool doesn't fully automate grocery list creation. You may still need to adjust your list manually. And grocery lists themselves are a bit basic. There is no automatic merging of duplicate items or advanced sorting options, as some users claim, but there is updates from time to time, so this might have been updated. And of course, for those who want premium services, they need to pay a premium subscription. So the question once again, is Recime the best recipe organizer app for iPhone and Android in 2025? Well, I'd say honestly yes for a lot of people, because its ability to grab recipes directly from social media, organize them beautifully, sync across devices, and give you extra tools like nutrition tracking and custom cookbooks, this makes it incredibly practical for everyday cooking. It's especially great for people who are constantly discovering recipes online and they want a way to save and actually use them. While it's true that the grocery list and meal planner could be more advanced, there are small trade-offs for an otherwise seamless experience. So, if you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Plan to Eat, Cookmate, and Mela. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.